Hello and welcome back. This is DRC, aka the Dragon Rider. Today I'm going to show you how to create an NFT using the Stakecube SCP protocol. So what you're going to do is go ahead and download the SCP wallet. I'll leave the link down there in the description to the GitHub. And while you're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, and all that good stuff. So what you want to do, as soon as you get your wallet downloaded, it's going to be empty. It costs 10 SCC to mint a collection. So what you want to do is send about 11 over here, because this does use gas in SCC and it's minimal. Basically you could have one SCC coin in here and that would cover the gas for multiple transactions. I think the gas fee is like 0.00001, which is almost nothing. Right, so once you got your 11 SCC inside your wallet, you're going to come over here to create token. You're going to give the token a name. In this case, I'm going to put TDC collection. Alright. Then you're going to decide the total number of NFTs that are going to be created within this collection. It could be 20, it could be 2,000. I'm going to put 7,777, lucky 7 baby, all day long. So I'm going to be able to mint 7,777 total NFTs within this collection. Now you're going to come down here. There's going to be this option. If you leave it on the default, it's going to be protected, which means that you will not be able to burn these NFTs later. Some people want that. In the event that you want to be able to burn these NFTs later, you'll go ahead and slide that over to the left. That will allow you, or the owner of the NFT, after you mint them or send them out or trade them, to burn those NFTs. So one reason you might want to do that is if, say, you have like one of 20, or say you have like 20 NFTs in this collection, 1 through 20, and somebody wants to have that NFT, they can buy all 20 of those, burn 19 of them, and have the only one left. Alright, so that's what this option is here. Once you've got your name, the total amount of NFTs you'll be able to mint within this collection, and you've decided whether you want it protected or not, you go ahead and hit create token, give it a minute, and it will start to create your collection. Alright, then you'll be able to go over here to NFTs. Alright, explore all, and it will show your collections in the top. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We go down here. This is the collection I just created, and let's go in here and I'll show you how to create the NFT itself. So I've created 2 in here. Actually, I've created 3. And I burned one, and I'll show you how that works momentarily. But one thing very, very important to note is this slider right here. This determines how many NFTs of the image you have here will be created. So if I put 8, it's going to create 8 of these very same images. Now in this case, I have a series of 20, 1 through 20. So I want this slider all the way over here to the left, so that when I go in here to create this NFT, I'm going to create number 1, and it's only going to be 1 of number 1. And when I go to create number 2, it's only going to be 1 of 2 of 20. Alright, so let's go. I'll show you real quick how that works, and I'll create number 3 of 20, and I only want 1 of those. Alright, so you go to your file, you click on this image right here. Alright, it's going to go to the file where you have the image. You go ahead and click on that. You see it pops up in here, 3 of 20. I only want 1 of those. And then I'll come down here, start minting, and it's real quick. And I mean, it's real quick. Let's go ahead and count. It's already almost done before I even start counting. Boom, done. Alright, so I just minted number 3 of 20. Alright, let's try that one more time. Make sure this slider is where you want it. I'll go over here, I'll go to 4 of 20. So now I'm going to create number 4 of 20, and I'm only going to create one of those. Start minting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 8 seconds, you just created your NFT. Alright, so that's how you do that. And we'll go over here to NFTs, explore collection. I'll go down to my collection here, and now you can see I've burned 1, 2, 3, 4 of 20 of this series of NFTs. I have a total of 7,777 that I can create in this collection. So far I've created 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5, but I've burned one already, and I'll go ahead and show you how that worked in just one moment. Alright, so there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the TDC collection. There's a supply of 4. I've minted 4. There's total max mints. Is it protected? No, which means I can burn them. If it says yes, it means you cannot burn them. And then you can go back over here. You don't have to create them all at one time. You can go back later, click on that, and then proceed to create more NFTs. Just remember, as I said before, this slider, very important to make sure that it's on the number of NFTs that you want to create of the image you have chosen. And that's it. That's basically how you do it. It's real simple, it's real cheap, it's real quick. Until next time, get your NFT mints on and keep riding those dragons.